Do you know that orange is a color of energy, warmth, and creativity? It is bold, unique, and adds life to any space. Today, I will show you how to mix the perfect orange color using yellow paste, red paste, and acrylic white paint, an easy and fun way to create stunning shades for next projects. So as you can see in the video, we are sculpting our white acrylic paint. So this is what we're going to use to mix our orange color. So now, this is our red paste. As usual, you all know what paste is. This is our yellow paste. So we're going to start with yellow paste, just like how we got sunflower before. So we're going to add a little drop of yellow paste to get our orange. But first of all, like I said, yellow paste is going to do magic for us because we're going to mix our red paste to the yellow paste. But like I said, remember this is sunflower color. And if you watch the other tutorial, you'll be able to know that just your yellow paste will give you sunflower. So like I said, as usual, you have to mix your color very well to avoid color inconsistency. So whenever you add your paste, your pigment, just make sure you turn very well. So all the colors can blend together with the paint. If you don't do that, you're going to be surprised when you paint on the wall and there you're going to see stripes of different colors on the wall. So please make sure you stir and mix your paint properly very well. So we're going to add our red paste now, and this is where the magic begins. You understand? So you have to stir, and definitely you're going to see that you're going to have an orange color. Most of the time, some people like the orange paint to be very reddish, while some like a more pale orange color. So if you want your orange color to be lighter, just like peach, you just only add your white paint, and then you're going to have a yellow version, sorry, an orange version. That's a light orange version, you understand? So if you want to your orange color to be more reddish, you just add your red paste, you understand, and it's going to be very red, you understand, because remember that orange is an energetic colors, you understand. So mixing a particular shade of orange you want will definitely go well in any way you want to use it. And of course, remember that what you need to mix orange color is your yellow paste, red paste, and your acrylic white paint, and of course your mixing container. So your acrylic white paint could be your emulsion paint or your satin paint, which is your water-based paint. You understand? So we're gonna add another drop of red paste. You understand? Because I want it to be more reddish. You understand? Remember what I said, when you add a red paste, your orange color is going to be more reddish. You understand? So we all have different shade that we want to achieve. So it depends on the particular shade that you want. If you want it lighter, you just add your paint to soften the color. But if you want it more reddish, you add your yellow paste, you understand. So you add more yellow if you want a lighter sunny shade, and when you add your red, it gets a reddish colors, you understand. So this is a orange color. I love mine to be reddish, you understand. So that is why I added a drop of red paste, so I could achieve a more reddish, warm, vibrant orange colors. You understand? Because like I said, orange is an energetic color. You understand? Orange is a secondary color created by mixing red and yellow. It is a color of creativity and is often associated with warm, positive, and energy. You understand? So in interior design, orange can transform a dull space into a lively and inviting room, making it perfect for both modern and classic decor style. You understand? So orange is one of that color that gives this energetic vibe. So you can see how the orange looks like. You understand? So depend on how you want to achieve your own orange. If you want it to be darker, you just make it more darker. You understand? So there is no magic. You understand? There is no magic. Orange is just a fantastic color to work with. It's vibrant, versatile, and full of personality. You understand? So experiment with the ratio to create your perfect shade. Like I said, you want it more darker, you add more red. You want it lighter, you add white acrylic paint. You understand? So it's an inviting colors. You can try that out. It's an amazing colors. You understand? Orange is so fantastic. Understand? So let me know if you're going to try mixing your orange color in the comment section, and let me know the particular shade you want to try, if it's a darker reddish orange or if it's the lighter peachy orange. You understand? So I would like to know the particular orange you want to miss. So for customized shade, you understand, for a bright orange, just keep the yellow to red ratio close to 1.1. You understand? For a muta peachy orange, increase the white paint, like I said. Deep burnt orange, use more red paste and a touch of black paste. You understand? But the black paint is optional. So always test the color on a small surface before applying it to your walls or using for your project. So thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.